Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Sister Linda. Please go to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and share. So, this morning what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cooking a country breakfast. And so, as you can see, I have most of everything prepared here and prepped. I'm going to be having some bacon, sausage, which is still in the refrigerator, strawberry, smothered fried potatoes, whatever you call it, and my eggs, my onion for my potatoes, and I'm going to be making some homemade biscuits. So with that being said, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I have strawberries here, and what you do is you mash the strawberries up. You put sugar in it, you mash it up. It's like a, I won't say a jelly, but this sugar is going to make like syrup. And you sop your biscuits, that's what they say back in the day. Old people say when I was growing up. You sop your biscuits in your strawberries syrup. See that? I'm going to mash that up real good. I am going to add a little water to it. Not much. Because as you know, when you use sugar like this, sugar makes its own syrup. So I really do need a potato masher or whatever. So let me add my little water. Just a little. And these just came out of the refrigerator, so they're still cold. So I got my strawberries mashed up. Y'all see that? That's going to be really good. I'm going to refrigerate this until I get ready for them.
Don't do that.
Shh. Move back. And so now I'm going to put my bacon in the oven.
Hey, I want some more.
You want some more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want some turkey.
Jaden has already had his bacon. So, fried potatoes. I have a cast iron skillet here. I already have my grease in there. And so, I have onion. This was a whole onion, a large onion. When you cook fried potatoes, you want to put a whole lot of onions in your fried potatoes. Yes, indeed.
Can I help?
Sure. So we're gonna season it.
Okay, can I do it?
With some accent seasoned salt.
I got it, baby.
Okay.
Now put the bowl over right.
No, you got to do it right here so everybody can see what you're doing.
I want to sit.
No, just season it. Okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna put some seasons all in there.
Okay, time for me.
Put some more in there. Okay, good job. And now it's time for the pepper. Oh, Jenny, you're doing such a good job.
Thank you.
Okay, now don't get it on the stove. Now it's time to put our onion in there. Okay, so take the fork and scoop it in there.
This food going to be good.
Yes, it is, Jaden. And you're such a good helper.
Yep.
Okay. So.
Hi guys. My name is Jaden, and my boo-boo's Jay.
Yes, this is my Jay. All right, Jaden. So that's good. So when I get ready to get the bacon out the oven, I will call you, okay?
Okay.
All right, Jason's going to tell everybody you're going back to look at your cartoons.
I'm going back to look at my cartoon.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Okay, so now we can season this. So I use seasoned salt, black pepper, and season all because I don't use salt in the blue box. That stuff will kill you. This here is 60% less sodium. So y'all think about that. Turn my eye on. And you mix it up in here really good. Jaden, your father's here.
Is it mine?
No, that's not yours. Put that right there. Let me wash my hands again. I'm recording, son. How you doing?
Hola,
All right, so I'm mixing my seasons up in here real good and my onion. And once I get this in the skillet, I will put me a little more seasoning here because in the bowls. You can hand that to me. Thank you, sir.
Hi, Daddy. You want to have a seat?
Okay.
Please, Daddy.
So I do put flour on top of my potatoes. So let's get that done.
That was my egg. I was eating.
So I'm gonna put about a cup of flour.
Want to
Is this a cup? Yes.
Live
On my potatoes.
it.
Yes.
They should call me.
Huh?
They should call me.
Okay. I'll call you when I'm ready, okay?
Okay.
It's ready to come back, y'all. Okay, I'll call you when I'm ready. So just mix that around in there. I might put a little more flour in here. And I might put a little more seasoning here. Y'all cook smothered potatoes. Make sure y'all use a cast iron skillet. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose. That was onion. All right. So we're just gonna scoop that off in there. And I'm telling y'all, when fried potatoes are cooking, they smell so good. You ready, Jada?
Yes. That is my store.
Okay. Oh Lord, what have I done?
Oh.
I didn't think I was cooking this much potatoes, but it looks like I have. So yeah, I'm gonna sprinkle me a little more seasoned salt and pepper. Seasoned salt and pepper. So I need some flour, Jaden.
Okay, where's the flour?
Okay.
I think the flour in here.
It's right here. I got it right here.
Oh, okay, I got it. I got it this time.
Okay, I put too much in a scoop of you.
Okay. I can touch it.
Here, put the flour in there. If you want to help,
Yeah.
hold it, put it in there. There we go.
Ah!
That's going to be so yummy.
You got my hand!
If you're going to be a cook, you can't be afraid to get your hands dirty, baby.
You got it.
Yep.
It's on. Okay.
So now we got our
eggs. Right there. Yeah.
Yeah. I like my potatoes to be burnt at the bottom a little bit, don't you? So now we're gonna put our top one there.
So we can cook.
Smelling so good already, Jaden.
I don't like that food.
Yeah, look at that. It's frying at the bottom.
Yeah.
Woo, thank you, Jesus. Okay.
I'm going to show everyone.
No, don't mess with the camera. Let's put the top on this and turn it down some, okay? Now, can you give me the sausage out the refrigerator?
Definitely. Did you just turn that down?
Mm-hmm. Do you like to cook?
Yes. Can I help?
You want to put your hand on some sausage?
I will put it on there. I'm about to make it like a cookie.
Okay.
You make it like a cookie now.
Okay, put it in. Don't wipe it on your clothes, okay?
Okay.
Okay. There's another one.
Is that hot?
No, it's not hot yet, but don't touch it, okay? Because we have to be. Why would you do that?
I don't know.
Now, what if that had been hot, Jaden? When Boo Boo tell you not to do something, you're not supposed to do it, right?
Okay. Daddy! Daddy!
Okay, here.
We are cooking.
Okay, y'all, this is not a healthy breakfast. Tell y'all now.
This is
We eat pork.
this is a
We eat
this,
fried potatoes with seasoning in it, and we eat eggs and homemade biscuits.
and this is junk food.
It's junk food.
Yep, this versus fish is junk food.
Oh my God. Mm.
Junk food is not healthy.
It's not junk food is not healthy, right?
Right.
Oh, this right here ain't healthy either, but we're gonna
Breakfast
tear
is
it up
healthy
today.
when I just eat.
Huh?
Breakfast is healthy when I just eat.
Oh, only when you eat it?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I think this is all we need.
Yeah.
Cause I don't know, your daddy here, he eat like 2 men.
Yeah.
He eats a lot.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in the fridge.
Put it in the fridge you did there.
So now we're gonna put this on the stove and let it start cooking. And I'm going to prepare our biscuits. Here. Yeah, wash it real good. Okay, so now I've already prepared my pan for my biscuits to go in. I got my potatoes cooking, got my bacon in the oven, and now I'm about to make my biscuits. So, we're going to start off with our flour. My eggs will be the last thing I cook. That's 2 cups of flour is what I'm going to start off with. Okay, Jaden, you're playing in the water now. Get back. So when my mom used to make biscuits, y'all, let me tell you, I was in high school. I used to eat 6 to 8 biscuits at one time and didn't gain not one
You
pound.
in high school?
Yes, I was in high school, and I used to eat 6 to 8 biscuits sometimes.
Oh, that's yum. That was yummy.
Boo Boo can't do that now.
No, you gotta go back to high school.
Yeah. All right, so you need to get down off that stool. You don't need to be close to the stove now because the sausage is cooking and we don't want it to pop on you. You gone, Jaden?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Jesus. All right, so let's get our lard in here. Y'all, I don't do all that extra stuff. Just watch me. That was about a spoonful of lard. And I'm gonna get me some baking soda. sure I have some somewhere. Yep. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of baking soda in here. Again. The same spoon and stir up my potatoes. I don't know why I punched out. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Ooh, Lord, you know you good. Time to hurry up and get these biscuits in the oven though. Lift it, lift it, lift it, lift it, lift it, lift it. This is what you call some country eating. Put my top back on there. And flip over my sausage. I don't want no burnt sausage. I am going to eat me a piece of this sausage between a biscuit. Yes, indeed. Some more just today I am. I'm doing all the wrong stuff today. I don't put no salt in my biscuits. My mama didn't do it. I don't do it. I'm just going to mix that up in there real good. Some people whip their flour. You can do it if you want to. I don't. I don't have time for that. My eye down on my potatoes. Bacon is doing good. Alright, it's time for the buttermilk. Pour it in. I want more buttermilk in mine. You can actually roll this or you can dump it. Roll it or dump it. Roll it or dump it. This morning I'm going to dump it because I don't feel like making that big old mess with that rolling pin. Okay, so for our potatoes are ready, I'm getting ready to cook my eggs, and I'm getting ready to put the biscuits in the oven. Bacon and sausage is done.